today we got some Checkers. And we will be trying the wings that I never ever tried. They're smoky barbecue wings. I never tried no wings from Checkers. Let's jump straight into this. Y'all see, they just like post barbecue sauce on it. But I'm really trying to see what the texture of these wings feeling like. Let's see. Very flavorful. Very flavorful. They cook way better than Popeyes wings, I'll tell you that. These are good. I don't know, Popeyes might be up for a fight. These taste like homemade wings, made by somebody's grandmother. Checkers, y'all did y'all motherfucking thing on these wings. Let me try one more, make sure I ain't tripping.